Humpty Dumpty. Here you can write your name. Continue to practice writing your name, even if it's just one letter a day. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Oh no, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. And at the back here is a couple questions. What is Humpty? Is he an egg, a chicken bone, or an apple? Decide. I think he's an egg. So I circle an egg. Where is Humpty sitting? On a horse? On a fence? Or a wall? Or a car? 3. What happens to Humpty? He runs, he jumps, he falls. Who tried to put Humpty together again? A queen, a knight, or a king? Have fun with that. And then here are some activities. Here's Humpty Dumpty sitting on a wall. And then there's lines here. You can have an adult help you cut this out, and then this is a puzzle. Try to put Humpty back together. And then here's a paper that you can do that says, draw a picture and write how you would put Humpty back together again. It says, I would use, and here you can be the illustrator, and here you can be the author. So draw how you would do that, and then have either write it or have somebody help you write it. And you can write your name. Then here you can put it in order. Here are 4 different pictures of Humpty. He's sitting on a wall, he's falling, he's all the way on the ground, and then he's having help. So put them in order. On the next page, here's all the characters from the story. And you can make your own scene and act out the story on this paper. Of course, you can color it in and do anything you want with that. Have lots of fun. And here's another puzzle of an egg. It looks kind of mixed up, almost like a scrambled egg, but cut it out. You can have an adult help you and piece it back together. If you'd like to make it permanent, meaning you can't use it anymore, how would you tape it together? Can you use Band-Aids or tape? Use your imagination. What would you use? Have fun with this whole thing on Humpty Dumpty. Bye, friends.